Hey guys, Taylor here, and today we're going to be talking about the 3 best espresso machines available on the market today for beginners. You have to make the coffee before you've had the coffee, and coming from someone who's actually brewed coffee without a cup underneath, a decent cup of joe shouldn't be overcomplicated. For people like me, coffee is magic in a cup that jumpstarts my whole day. Whether you just want an extra hit of caffeine in the morning, or you just want to recreate your favorite coffee shop drinks at home, froth and all, you can all be your own barista with these high-quality, easy-to-use espresso machines. And when it comes to espresso machines, if you are as serious about brewing coffee as I am, you know there are obviously a lot of options to choose from, so it's important to choose the one that's right for you. So out of all the options available, we narrowed them down to the top 3 based on the most popular reasons for purchasing an espresso machine, which includes the best overall, the best value, and the best on a budget. I'll be breaking down each of these, including the features and benefits like built-in coffee grinders, steam wands, and milk frothers, so you can see which of these might be the best choice for you based on your particular situation. And as always, I'll include links to each of these down below so you can check updated pricing and availability for any you might be interested in. Also, if there are any special deals or discounts on any of these, I'll include that in the description as well. So if you're looking for the absolute best espresso machine for beginners, the Breville Bambino Plus is going to win you over with its great tasting espresso in less than a minute. It features the most advanced heating system, which reaches an ideal water temperature in as fast as 3 seconds. This top-of-the-line machine extracts all the natural flavors of every coffee bean to give you full-bodied flavor in every cup. Plus, it has an automatic steam wand for that decadent microfoam, giving you the ability to create and show off your artistic masterpieces for your guests. You can also adjust the milk temperatures and texture too. You can't ask for much more than that combo, a delicious coffee combined with great latte art and nice creamy milk textures too. It also has a compact design, so it's easy to store and won't take up much space on your countertop. So if you're ready to be your own barista and you're looking for the best of the best for beginners, the Breville Bambino blooms your coffee beans to perfection, so you'll get amazing flavor, have the perfect canvas for latte art, and have artisan-style espresso in less than a minute. If you want the best value for your buck, the Breville Barista Pro is made of brushed stainless steel and has the added bonus of being perfect for both beginner and experienced people alike. If you're completely new to the art of espresso and you want the opportunity to advance your barista skills as you go, the easy-to-use Breville Barista Pro gives you the option to achieve more complex flavors. It features an all-in-one design, including an integrated grinder to go from beans to coffee in under a few minutes, and like the Bambino Plus, the advanced heating design means your water will reach the ideal temperature in just 3 seconds. Also, you never have to worry about measuring the right amount of coffee beans because the Barista Pro has dosing control to maximize the flavor. The intuitive, interactive display screen provides you all the descriptive information you need to make coffee exactly the way you like it every time, and comes with all the accessories you need as well, such as the filter basket and stainless steel milk jug. For people like me, who can use a little extra time to wake up in the morning before my brain starts working, the machine walks you through the entire process of making the perfect combo of coffee, lattes, Americanos, espressos, and more. The steam wand is manual on this one, but it performs at the level you choose, which allows you to hand texture microfoam milk to enhance the flavor and create latte art at home, so you can make those coffee masterpieces just like the professionals. The Breville Barista Pro has everything a more advanced espresso machine would have, built in a high-quality beginner's machine. So, paying over $500 to have the coffee shop experience at home doesn't have to be a bitter brew to swallow when you know the Breville Barista Pro is going to give you the best specialty coffee options for both the beginner and the pro, which in our book is the best value for the price. And if you're on a budget, you can still get great flavor at home too, because let's face it, who wants just brown water in a cup, right? We put all the beginners espresso machines under $500 through their paces, and the Espressoworks all-in-one 7-piece combo outshined all of them for flavor. It is the perfect all-in-one starter set for anyone ready to try their hand at making their own espresso from home. This machine produced quality espresso comparable to true Italian espresso. You truly can't tell the difference. Made from stainless steel, it comes with everything you need to get started, and it's ready to go in just 45 seconds because no one wants to wait for their early morning pick-me-up. You'll have a bean grinder, stainless steel milk frothing cup, measuring spoon and tamper, and a high-quality filter. You can choose between single and double shot filter baskets too, since you'll have both. The milk frothing steam wand is manual on this one, but for the price point, the Espressoworks all-in-one delivered far beyond our expectations. Considering the flavor and performance this machine delivers and how easy the Espressoworks machine is to use overall, if you're on a budget but you're ready to whip up those frothy, expensive tasting flavors without the cost, this is clearly the best beginner espresso machine to get. So guys, that's a look at the 3 top espresso machines for beginners that you can buy. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, feel free to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. So we would love to know, is there any particular item or product you're shopping for next? Any videos you'd like to see or anything we can research for you? We'd love to do that for you. Any questions you have, please leave them in the comments below, as I love answering as many of those as I can. Thanks again for watching, stay safe out there, and I'll see you again in the next video.